Good afternoon. It is June 18th, 2025, and today so far we've only had a range day. I think the most notable part of today is this news item at 11 a.m. Just just some FOMC stuff, which always makes the market go crazy. So that's what this we had this overshoot of this bear channel. And let's see when this bar closed. So this bar closed at 10:37. This bar closed at 10:47. This one closed right at 11 a.m. So that's just a textbook trap right there. Um, because this bar closed on its high right after 11 a.m. and then it was followed by pretty much a 95% correction. You can see right there before we formed this choppy bull channel up, and we made a double top and a strong sell-off after that to near the lows. Um, so low volume before, and really even after this news item, pretty low volume today because this is the 1300 tick chart, and there's probably only 120 bars or so. Let's see, ruler. So as of right now, we only have 95 bars on this chart. Um, Here's a look at the daily chart. So I think early on it was um, reasonable to expect some buying because it looked like maybe we would be, bouncing off the EMA, which is why you get this first leg up and then you get a couple legs of correction followed by this bull channel. And people just were just taking profits here. I had something drawn right here, just a measured move of these three bull bodies, and that's exactly where the computers took their profits. Um, Not a coincidence. So anyway, let's take a look at this. So we have that strong first leg up, two legs of correction. 5 o'clock comes in right about here. So we get that first leg of correction, and we just have some sideways stuff. There is not really a reason for you to be jumping in at any point here. But I do like this 3 bar reversal right here. um, you got sort of a triple bottom, clearly support. And as I said early on in the day, it would be reasonable to expect some buying, some like a bounce off of the EMA on the daily chart. And so I do like this triple bottom in anticipation of a second leg up. So these aren't the types of moves you want to be scalping, you want to be swinging. And if you use this as your target, it would have came up a little short. You would have taken profits before that. But, the way I drew it on this chart, you would have pretty much had a perfect target. So anyway, we were moving in this bull channel, and we didn't make it to the top of the channel. So price started going sideways, get some selling, pull back here, and then some more selling back to the EMA, and then we just get a bunch of overlap. Turns out to be a bear channel. Lower high right here, lower high right here. I don't really see a strong argument for jumping in here, but I do think after confirmation you do want to get short. So maybe sell with a limit order here. We're now below the EMA. There is a gap below the EMA, and it does look like a channel. So that would have gotten you a nice move, and the computers took profits on the overshoot, which is normal. You get this bull bar, and then we get a rally into the news item. Look how large these bull bars are. It's just uh, a buy climax followed by following the sell climax. This is a strong, a weak bear move down, but then we get the sell climax, which is followed by this very strong buy climax. So it's very reasonable to bet that you're in a range at that point. And so you just want to be buying at smart levels, buying or selling at smart levels. So, yes, very reasonable to sell up here. Come down here, very reasonable to buy down here. And then don't do anything in here, or else you get chopped to shreds. And then we come up here, very reasonable to sell up here. And you can see strong selling. And when you get this micro channel, and Al Brooks defines a micro channel as no bars are making, in a bear channel, no bars are making new highs. So when you get this micro channel, yes, we are near support down here, but I think it'd be wise if you get in on a limit order here to just trail your stop after or above each bar. And that would have gotten you a lot of money. So it looks like there's some buying coming in now. And I think, if you want to hold, if you get short up here and you want to hold, I think it's very reasonable to take profits above this bull bar because, it's been a range all day. Even though this is a strong bear move, the chances are we're just ranging. So not a lot of trades that I could mark up here, but plenty of limit order trades, especially after the news item. And yeah, if you got in on this move, you probably made a lot of money. But here's one last look at the daily chart. Let's see how the week is shaping up. So the week, I'm thinking if this week closes out and the bar isn't very informative, meaning what I mean by that is like we don't have a strong bull close, strong bear close. We're probably just going to be correcting back to the EMA. But yeah, there's one look at the weekly chart. Here's the daily chart. And one last look at the 1300 tick chart. So I hope everyone had a good day, and I will be back tomorrow.